Guys, I did something. I may or may not have wandered into the Cartier store on our way to Pebble Beach and pulled the trigger on some things that I've been really wanting for a really long time. Let's unbox it, but first I need a drink. Here's the first thing. Wait, my nails match the Cartier bag. It was a sign. Okay, here we go. I bought myself a stack. I was just feeling crazy. I don't know what got into me, but I just bought a stack, and I've been really wanting one for a really long time. I got the original Love Bracelet. So it's just the classic Cartier, and then it comes with a little screwdriver thing to put it on. I bought this like 2 days ago and I'm just barely putting it on. I don't know, the buyer's remorse was just really getting to me. Will you come twist it? And then I went with the nail with the diamond detail. This is the one I'm truly in love with. The girl at the store was trying to show me how to put it on. You know, I just don't do well under pressure, and it was like obviously common sense, and I just couldn't get it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so dumb.
There we go. There we go. Nailed it. Nailed it.
I got it! Here is the full stack. I love the way this looks. I think the little diamond detail is so pretty, and I can give this to Quinn when she's older. Cheers.